Let your word echo in me. Let your truth be all I speak. You spoke the stars into the sky. Now speak your truth into my life. I don't want empty melodies, I want a heart to truly breathe. Every moment, every breath, let it echo what you said. Let your voice echo in me. Let my soul sing what you speak. Every step, every word I say, let it lead someone your way. From the silence to the sea, let your fire echo in me. The world is loud, but I choose peace. Your spirit sound will never cease. What you whisper in the dark becomes the anthem of my heart. Every moment, every breath, let it echo what you said. Let your voice echo me. Let my soul sing what you speak. Every step, every word I say, let it lead someone your way. From the silence to the sea, let your fire echo in me. Let it echo in the hurting, let it echo in the streets, let it echo in my worship till the world falls at your feet. Let your voice echo in me. Let my soul sing what you speak. Every step, every word I say, let it lead someone your way. From the silence to the sea, let your fire echo in me. Ooh, echo in me. Ooh, let it be.